let's do a check for whatever we created right now. So I'm going to go products, I'll add to cart. I will just, one button, and I will do test product and I'll click checkout. So right now the checkout doesn't do anything, so we have to go to the code and check out basket view in the cart section up here is where we have this. So this is the place where we have the checkout, but there's no function attached to this right now. So I'm just going to attach a function for the button here, and I'm going to call this, I'm not going to call it yet, I'm going to create a add click, and I will call this checkOutBuy. Like this. So I'm going to scroll down to my code. I'm just going to do the code in here because this only exists one place in the application. So down here I'm going to do const checkOutBuy, and that looks close. We're going to do this and remove the console. So the name here, it's a void because we don't have any return statements in this function here. And inside here, we need to, once we click the button, we need to send the user to the cart page instead. So basically we'll do a router.push parentheses, and we will do quotation marks / cart like this. And we will do is visible. We will set this to false, so make sure that if it's open, they will automatically close the cart as well. So it's just a good thing to make sure. Router here is because we can't just use router unless we import it in. So we need to grab it from the view router. So import up here, parentheses, and then we will do use router with an R from view router, and then we will store this cuts router here from use router. So we have it here and here. So let's click save. And let's go back, let's refresh this for good measure, cart, and then we click checkout, and then we have a warning for cart does not exist. So let's go to our code again, let's open the router file here. And we don't have any setups for the cart, so we need to copy one of these. I'll just do it before the auth, and I will change this to /cart, and cart, small. And then this is inside the, not the views, not admin, but views /cart. And then it's cart view, that's it, right? Cart and cart view. View, where are you? Here we are. Yes. So save, and let's go back and test. And now we can see we actually went to the page. We'll just do it again. We'll do cart, I will check out, and I can now see I am on this page here. So the checkout part now works. And just a little extra thing for the next video. If we go to if you're still on the cart here, so make sure, or then you open your inspect tool, go to application, so we can see the cart and tokens and all these things here. If you click buy now, this is the function we created for the inside the use carts. This one here. So this function here, where once we click this, we should populate this order lines here, and we should put it into the orders value in the orders here, so in the local storage. So if I click here, we should see it pop up over here. So you can see orders, and if I expand this, I can see the information about this and all the different things inside this one here. So this is the deep structure of this one here, because we need all the specific things. So we have order dates, we have, I'm going to open this up a little bit more. We have processing, who it was, the ID of the product, and so on and so on. And again, you can change this so it uses the ID or the name of the user here. And here we have the nested layers, and we have the quantity as well. So everything is in order for the next part of the project.